I'd like to welcome you to the first lecture of the course. My name is Amy Quarton, and I will lead the lectures for the next few weeks. This series of videos will be an overview of the subdiscipline social psychology, including its past, its present, and its future, where it's going. This foundation of information will help you piece together all the phenomena, theories, and concepts we'll cover in the course. Here are some of the questions that you should be able to discuss by the time you finish this material. In this series of videos, we'll start by defining social psychology and clarifying what social psychologists study. Then we'll distinguish social psychology from similar fields of study and identify the reasons why social psychology is important to our understanding of the world, of human behavior. Third, we'll take a look at the history of social psychology, including who contributed to its development and how it has changed, evolved since its inception. Finally, we'll end the lecture by exploring some of today's trends in social psychology, some of its hot topics. Once you are comfortable with this material, you'll be ready to examine the details of social psychology in the remaining lectures.